So right in front of me is the iQOO Legend 7 box. Here is the box with me. Talking about the packaging, it comes in a black holographic box. Design wise, it looks dynamic. Has got yellow highlights given on the four corners, providing it a very sleek look. At the back you get the manufacturing details. So let's unbox and see what's inside this box. As soon as you unbox it, you get some paperwork here. Has got the user manual, warranty details, etc. Since it is the BMW edition, you get some car goodies here. Apart from the car goodies, there are user manuals and other documentation papers. Back you have got the SIM ejector pin. Moving to the handset, it looks quite subtle in design. Has got a white matte finish and got a track design on it. The legendary track design. Below you have the charging port and the audio section. Sides look quite sleek. It's based on matte silver finish. Keeping aside the phone, we have a translucent mobile cover here. Has got the BMW stamp given on the mobile cover as well. Now let's move ahead with the charging adapter. Here is the fast charging adapter. Coming back to the phone, the iQOO Legend 7 weighs 210 grams, comes in legendary track design. Talking about the display, it has got a 6.62-inch Full HD AMOLED display along with 120 Hz of adaptive refresh rate. iQOO Legend 7 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. Has got largest vapor cooling system so that your phone does not get heated up in the middle of your games. Talking about the configurations, the iQOO Legend 7 comes in two configurations, 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM along with 12GB RAM, this is the other segment, and 256GB ROM. Coming to the camera segment, it has got a triple camera setup where there is a 48 megapixel OIS primary camera along with 13 megapixel portrait camera, 13 megapixel super wide angle camera. For your better and clear selfies, there is 16 megapixel front camera given. Moving ahead with the operating system, FunTouch OS 11.1, which is based on Android 11.1, is the operating system for iQOO Legend 7. The phone packs 4000 mAh of battery and comes with a 66-watt flash charger. So that's all about the iQOO Legend 7. I hope you like this video.